Welcome to Building with Poppington. Today, Poppington is building a bulldozer. It has 682 pieces, 8 years old and plus, and he's 5. You ready to build?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
Dig in, build. It all by myself.
All right. You did pretty good. I like that. Let me see. Oh man, look at that.
And I need this.
Oh, look at this. What is this? That's supposed to be up there like that? Okay. All right.
And then this is.
And this the little guy right here?
Yeah, and then that's to get this.
Hold up. Let's get this set up right here. Look at this little. He's like, hurry up, dude. I'm waiting for my bulldozer. You see how he's looking at you? All right, high five on that one. All right, cool. Okay, that's good right there.
I built that all by myself. And I saw the video of another bulldozer.
What is this? This is walkie-talkie? That's for the guy right here? Walkie-talkie. He's over there watching. All right, so these are the extra pieces, right?
Yeah, and then this.
Let this guy chill too, right?
Yeah, he holds the walkie-talkie.
Oh man, you did good. You showed me the engine turning. I was like, okay, I guess he sees like this. See the fan turning inside? Okay. Boy, got the engine going. The master builder. All right, high five. All right. That was a tough one right there, but we got it though. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, look at that. What? All right, high five. Which one are you on? Which bag you on?
Number 5.
All right.
Number 5.
Are you still up for the challenge? You still want to keep going?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go. You want to stop?
No, I want to keep building because I have more energy.
Oh yeah, it's coming along.
Now bag number 5. And after that, bag number 6. I made it all by myself.
That's pretty fast too.
High five.
Hold on, high five. Did good.
Wait, then this goes to.
All right. Let me see.
Goes like this. So everyone is broke.
All right,
This
let's see.
guy can fix.
Oh wow, look at that, man. That coming along good.
Wait. Let me see. Oh, it's down. So I switch this. I have to put it like this. Now I can make this. So I need 2 of these blue pieces and 1 of white piece.
Okay, I like this.
It looks so dark that I still can see it. There's no finish yet.
Yeah. Okay.
Number 6. Then this
Bag
like
6.
6. Like 6, like
last
6,
bag.
7.
That's the last bag.
Last one.
How you feel?
Much better.
The grand finale. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What do you tell your viewers?
Like and subscribe.
All right.